How are we going to measure this work, Ben? There's two numbers that we need to know how much the work this robot's doing. What are the two numbers? One number is the
Newtons and joules.
the joules of what we're trying. We need newtons and what's on the floor? Meters. So meters times newtons. Okay, how many newtons are on the back here?
8.
8 newtons. Okay, ready, set, go. Got it. Jalen, what's 13 times 8? You can do it. What's 10 times 8?
80.
What's 3 times 8? 80 plus 24.
104.
That's 104. How do we measure it?
Mason kept on moving up.
Joules. Okay, go. Okay, perfect. Okay, now count it off. Count it off, Catherine.
Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 meters times 8 newtons. It does 56 joules of work. That's really good.